In this video, I will show you how you can connect WhatsApp to Manychat in just 2 simple steps. Let's dive in. So the first step that you should do is to create your Manychat account. So you can basically just go to chatamize.com/mc, and if you use my link and the discount code in the description, you will get 30 days of the Pro plan for free. So once you're here, you can basically click on Get Started and then click on WhatsApp and then continue with Facebook. And once you have logged in with your Facebook account, then your Manychat account is created. I already have an account, so I would just click on sign in here and then click on sign in with Facebook. So now I am in Manychat, and then if I go to settings and then go to WhatsApp, then here I can click on connect. And then whether you didn't have an account before or you already have one, eventually you will come to a screen that looks like this, where you need to choose with connecting a new number or using your own number. In general, I recommend to use your own number because as a business, you always want to have direct access to your number and not be reliant on Manychat for this. And what's also very important is that this number hasn't been connected to WhatsApp before. So it hasn't been connected to a personal profile, but also not to a business profile. The reason for this is that there's just often problems when you try to connect an existing number. So I always recommend to go with a new number that hasn't been connected before. And what you can do basically is just go to a telecom store, just buy a prepaid number, and that's basically it. It costs you like $5 or $10, like really cheap. So here you can just click on use my own number, then proceed with own number, and then you will go to Facebook. So here you can just click on continue as Joran and then click on get started. And here we need to basically connect WhatsApp and Manychat to your Meta business. So if you already have a Meta business, like I have, you can just go with that one. Otherwise, you can just create a new Meta business by clicking on create a business portfolio. And then you need to just fill in some business information, and that's basically it. And then you can just click on next. Then the next step is to select your WhatsApp business account. So again, I already have one, but I will just create a new one to just show you how that works. And your WhatsApp business account name should be the same name as the name of your actual business. And WhatsApp is really strict on this. Like they only want to have businesses using these kinds of automations. So in this case, just fill in the name of your actual business, because otherwise you might get blocked from WhatsApp and they say you cannot use this. So in this case, I will just fill in Chatamize support just for this tutorial. Again, this will not work in real life because it contains support. Like for my own business, I just use Chatamize. So then we have the display name, and this is the name that people will actually see on WhatsApp. So here I will also fill in Chatamize support, but again, this needs to be the same as the name of your business. Then you need to fill in the category. So here I have education. And then you also have more options over here. So you can set the time zone, you can set the business description, the website, and this information will also be visible on your WhatsApp profile as well. But you can also change this later on in Manychat. So I'll just hide these options for now, then click on next. And then the next step is to add your number. So you can click here on add a new or existing number and then basically fill in the number that you have. So this is for Netherlands, and then I can just fill in a number that I have and then click on text message or phone call. So if you go with text message, they send you a message. If they go with phone call, they call you up and send you a verification code to actually verify that you have access to this number. So here you can just click on next. And now Facebook will send you the verification code. You just need to enter that on your computer and then you're done. And that's basically it. That's how you can connect WhatsApp to Manychat in just 2 simple steps. And this is actually the first step. But the next step is to actually get started with Manychat and create your WhatsApp automations. So if you want to do that, check out this video.